All right, here's the final product. We got the handle. If you don't like the handle on one end, you have holes to actually move it to the other end either way, so it could go either way. So once you set that up, all you got to do is put your toilet paper in there, and it spins ready good, and it won't come out because of this handle, this little bar here. All right, so we got that handle in there. Once you got that, you put your little wipes in here, and look at that, perfect fit. You got your bathroom set up. So this is what happens all the time. This thing falls all the time. Look at this, it's flimsy. You don't have any weights in the bottom. This falls all the time, so we're gonna replace it. First of all, what you need to do is you need to actually line them up. If you guys can see, line up where you want to actually drill your holes. All right, so mark them up first prior to setting up. So just make sure you prior to adjust this very well. You make sure that it's leveled before you set it up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I actually ended up using my own Phillips AV here because my hand wasn't able to fit with the longer one or with the actual screwdriver or the actual one that came with it. It was a little difficult to reach on it. So I have a little tiny one that I bought a long time ago. Put it in there, line it up. I did one hole first and then balance it out and make sure I could do the other one and line it up and then mark it and just move it to the right and then drill it in. Very simple. Once you get that stable, nice and hard and stable, and it won't move anywhere, then you go ahead and set up the rest of it. Make sure you're nice and tight, and I use the same one to tie the rest of them up, and that should do it. Your wipes set up, if you guys can see that, your wipes go in here. Plenty of room. There's actually, you could set up 2 of these in here, so pretty good. It's actually fits in really good. You close it up, your toilet paper here. Like I said, if you don't like it, you can always go to the other side. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.